In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your screen brightness on Windows 10. Now be sure to watch the end because I'm going to teach you a few different methods which will work depending on your computer. So the first method we want to do is we want to go to our file explorer. We can then go here, go to this PC. You'll go back up one actually. Then we can right click on this PC here. And it's going to take us to the settings here. From here we want to go to display, and if you have the ability to change the brightness on the screen, you can click here and you'll be able to turn it up and down, or there'll be a little slider down here telling you how to turn it up and down. That's the first way that you can do it, and there's also a little article here that tells you how to do it, but again this is only if you are able to do it. So the next way that you would do it is you would go down here into this little notification thingy here, and then you can change here the brightness. So this one says night light on, so this is going to turn night light mode on, but for you might have like a brightness setting in here. Now if none of these have worked, like in my case none of these actually show up, the next thing you'd want to do is go to the bottom of your monitor, and underneath there should be some buttons, and there'll be the one that's like a menu button, and basically if you click those buttons, eventually there's going to be like a setting that says brightness, and you can then change the brightness from there so that you change the screen brightness. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.